You're watching Poland Daily Business Edition. This is a vacation time here in the Northern Hemisphere. People go with their kids to the sea and do some nice things, entertainment. Some people are entertaining themselves. Some people make money on this entertainment. And one of those who make money, hopefully, is Bartłomiej Szponarski of PlanetaRobotow. Sir, welcome to the show.
Welcome.
And your part of your field of the business is education, entertainment for kids.
Yes, that's right. I'm co-founder of PlanetaRobotow, which is an institution which organizes workshops for children, mostly for children, based on robotics. So we are building together with kids robots and code them to perform certain tasks.
Okay, so how many students or pupils you teach this year?
So right now it's we are in 10 cities in Poland.
So that's quite a scope.
Yeah, it's quite a scale right now, so it's a big challenge for us. But during summertime, we are organizing half camps. It's a popular form for
kids spend time in the evening with their parents, but you take care for the daily or
That's right. So
entertainment.
they don't have to go on a summer camp and be separated from parents for like 10 days, so they can still sleep at home. But during the day, they've got a lot of activities, mostly connected with science, because that's our main goal.
Okay. Is that popular among parents? I mean, I remember the 1980s when children were sent to this coding or computer camps when they were learning the computer languages like BASIC. Nobody knows now what is BASIC and why should anyone learn it. Yet the question is, will be the same pattern work for the robotic coders of today, that the robots of tomorrow will not need those skills that you are teaching?
You know, it's evolving very rapidly. As you said, the things that were popular like 20 years ago today are maybe not obsolete, but a little bit forgotten, right? But anyways, if you learn the fundamentals of coding, of constructing the mechanism of a robot, even in the future, even if it will be changed to some other languages, coding languages, the transition that a student can make in the future, it's going to be much easier if the fundamentals that he learned in the past was solid.
Okay, and you have some tools, you teach the kids on the basics of some practice. How do you do that?
Yeah, so usually it looks like that the workshop lasts for about 1.5 hours, and the students are given a goal to achieve. For instance, they have to create a robot which cannot fall out of the table. So the students have to think how to construct the robot, so it's one thing, and the second, how to write the code to perform this task which were given on the class, right? So they have to think, they have to construct, and they have to code. And our tutors help them to achieve this goal.
You are using this famous Lego Mindstorm series that's designed for kids and for such activities.
Yes, it's hugely popular right now. It's the 3rd edition of this educational set. It's getting very popular right now. Lego is even distributing more different products among different age category. Mindstorms is for like kids like in primary school, but they are providing new products, which educational sets for even preschool kids, which they can use them to learn the basics of coding.
I've heard about some 40 years old that enjoy building robots out of the Mindstorm as well.
Yeah, because you know the Legos are like
the men never grow. That's the theory.
That's right. Legos are great for as well as children, as well for and adults.
Okay, so we have this pupils, we have this robots. So how many pupils is per one instructor?
It's like 6 or 7, so it's not much because the pupils need to have big attention from our tutors, from our instructors. The tasks are quite challenging for them.
Do they know something before, or they just
they know how to construct Legos because they've got them in their homes, right? So it's fun for them. It's easier for them to initiate those classes because they already knew something, right? So it's not an abstract thing for them. So it's much easier for them to start their journey with robotics.
Mm-hmm. Afterwards, and because you have this activity for some time, how long you are providing these lessons?
We are on the market for 5 years right now, so we are still developing. As I said, our beginnings were here in Warsaw, but right now, as I said, we grew a bit.
Okay, do you have any feedback from the parents? Like, will this particular robotic camp was helpful in directing the children's attention to some science and technology?
Yeah, we are constantly trying to receive feedback from parents to improve our lessons. Usually, the feedback is positive.
Okay.
The feedback is positive, and the kids are happy for.
And they want to go for this science and technology career. That's very good. If you don't know, ladies and gentlemen, the Mars Society runs a robotic challenge every year, and there are challenges both in the United States and in Poland. And recently, in Utah, the team for Kielce, Technological University of Kielce, won the challenge, beating 40 groups out of the best university all over the world. This September is another challenge here in Poland, and this will be kind of world championship because the Poles are champions in this Martian robotic thing. Maybe there is something in us that lets us outthink other students, and I believe that the beginning of this is in activities such as PlanetaRobotow, represented here by Bartłomiej Szponacki. Sir, thank you very much for this brief conversation, and that was it for tonight's Poland Daily Business.